I was walking on my back porch when I noticed little droplings of sawdust, which usually mean that there are carpenter bees around your property. So I investigated a little bit further and I found more spots of sawdust. And when I looked into the wood on my porch, I found a circular hole the size of a dime or a nickel, which definitely means I'm dealing with carpenter bees. In this video, we're going to tackle how to get rid of carpenter bees in a safe and natural way. Once you've identified that you're dealing with carpenter bees, it can be slightly overwhelming, but thankfully there is an easy and natural solution to this. What I like to do is take a spray bottle and I'll fill it with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. Shake it up, mix it up, and then from there, you're going to go back outside to where you're seeing those carpenter bee holes and the damage caused by these bees. And you're just going to spray this mixture around the wood, inside the hole, and really just try to cover it with this vinegar and water mixture. Because carpenter bees don't like the smell of vinegar, using this vinegar mixture is a great way to deter carpenter bees and force out carpenter bees that are already on your property. I like to use vinegar as opposed to pesticides because it's natural and safer for humans and pets, but it also doesn't kill carpenter bees. Carpenter bees are big pollinators, so I try to avoid killing them when possible, and I definitely recommend using this vinegar mixture. You'll want to spray it, and then in the next week or two, check back to see if you have any more sawdust or any more signs of carpenter bee activity. If you do, I would go back through and spray the mixture again, and then come back a few days later to see if there's any new signs of carpenter bees. It might take a few days for them to leave their new home and find somewhere else to go, but it's worth checking in on and coming back to see if this vinegar mixture helped you get rid of your carpenter bees.